I'll guide you through how to make money through Instagram. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, switch your account to a professional account, either creator or business, by going to Settings, Account, Switch to Professional. This gives you access to features like insights and monetization tools. Once that's done, activate your professional dashboard. You'll find it at the top of your profile, and it's your main hub for tracking performance and accessing all monetization options. Next, set up your monetization eligibility. To qualify, your account must be located in a supported country, follow Meta's monetization policies, and be active with consistent, original content. Based on recent patterns, Instagram's suggested follower counts are around 5,000 for gifts, 10,000 for subscriptions, and Reels bonuses are typically invite-only based on your engagement and reach. After that, fill in your payout and tax information. This includes your legal name, address, and tax ID. Then, connect your preferred payout method, either your bank account or PayPal. Once everything is set, start posting eligible content like Reels or Lives consistently to unlock earning potential through gifts, subscriptions, or other monetization tools.